Hello everyone, myself M.A. Mahant, working in Computer Science and Engineering Department as an Assistant Professor in Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today we are going to discuss the topic Introduction to Agile Project Management. The learning outcomes are, at the end of this session, student will be able to describe the principles and values of Agile Project Management, describe different phases of Agile Project Management. First, we are going to see the introduction part. Agile project management is one of the revolutionary method introduced for practice of project management. This is one of the latest project management strategies that is mainly applied to the project management practice in software development. With the advancement of software development technologies and business requirement and traditional model are not robust enough to clear the demands. Therefore, more flexible software development models were required in order to address the agility of requirements. As a result of this, the information technology community developed agile software development models. Agile is an umbrella term used for identifying various models used for agile developments such as Scrum. This is the diagram of agile methodology where first we have to make the plan, where make the communication, collect the customer requirement, then we have to design that requirements by using detailed design, high level design, architectural design. Then we have to develop that software, we have to code that software, then we have to develop different programs of that software, then we have to test that programs and deploy that model to the customer. If the customer is take the review of your customer regarding that module, if the customer is not satisfied, okay, I remain in the loop again for planning, designing, developing, testing, deployment until the customer is satisfied. If the customer is satisfied, then you have to launch that module to the toward the customer. So this is the agile development methodology where the phases are plan, design, development, test, deploy, review. After review, we are launching that module to the customer location. Differences in agile development versus traditional models. The agile model emphasizes on the fact that entire team should be a tightly integrated team. This includes the developer, quality assurance people, project management people, and the customer. This is not the case in the traditional model. So frequent communication is one of the key of factors that makes the integration possible. Therefore, daily meetings are held in order to determine the day's work and dependencies. Deliver Deliveries are short term. Usually, a delivery cycle ranges from 1 week to 4 weeks. These are commonly known as sprints. Agile project team allow open communication techniques and tools which enable the team members, including the customer, to express their views and feedbacks on open and quickly. So these facts we can see in the agile, but these facts will not be seen in the traditional model. So here the 12 agile manifesto principles are given. The 12 agile principles of agile development include, the first is customer satisfaction through early and continuous software delivery. Means customers are happier when they receive the working software at regular intervals rather than waiting extended periods of time between releases. The second principle is accommodate change requirements or accommodate changing requirement throughout the development process, the ability to avoid delays when requirements or feature request changes. The third principle is the frequent delivery of working software. Scrum accommodates this principle since the team operates in software sprints or iteration that ensures regular delivery of working software. The next principle is collaboration between the business stakeholders and business throughout the project. Better decisions are made up when the business and technical teams are aligned. The next principle is support trust and motivate the people involved. Motivate teams are more likely to deliver their best work than the unhappy teams. The next principle enable face to face interactions. The communications are more successful when development teams are co-located. The next principle is working software is the primary measure of progress. So delivering functional software is to to the customer is the ultimate factor that measure progress. The next principle is agile process support a constant development pace. Team establishes a repeatable and maintainable speed at which they can deliver working software, and they repeat it with the each release. The next principle is attention to technical details and design enhances agility. The right skills and good design ensures the team can maintain the pace, constantly improve the product, and sustain change. The next principle is simplicity. Develop just enough to get the job done right now. The next principle is self-organizing teams encourages great architecture, requirements and design. Skilled and motivated team members who have decision-making power take ownership, communicate regularly with other team members, and share their ideas that deliver quality products. The next principle is regular reflections on how to become more effective. Self improvement, process improvement, advanced skills, and techniques help team members work more efficiently. There are four values of Agile Manifesto. The first is individuals and interactions over processes and tools. This value of Agile Manifesto focuses on giving importance to communications with the clients. There are several things a client may want to ask, and it is responsibility of the team member to ensure that all questions and suggestions of the clients are promptly dealt with it. The second value of Agile Manifesto is working product over comprehensive documentation. In the past, more focus used to be on proper documentation of every aspect of the project. The Agile values dictate the first and the foremost duty of project that team completing the final deliverables as identified by the customers. The next value of Agile Manifesto is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Agile principles requires customers to be involved in all phases of the project. This is used to result in wastage of both time and resources. If the customer are kept in the loop during the development process, team members can ensure that the final product meets all the requirements of the client. The next value of Agile Manifesto is responding to change over following plan. Agile values are against using the elaborate plans before the start of the project and continue sticking to them no matter what. The project managers and their teams must adapt quickly in order to deliver a software product and ensure 100% customer satisfaction. Now I am going to ask one question to all the students. You have to pause the video and write the answer. Question: Agile software development is based on option A, incremental development, option B, iterative development, option C, linear development, option D, both incremental and iterative development. Pause the video and write the answer. The answer is both incremental and iterative development. Management, where the first phase is the envision, the second phase is the speculation, the third phase is explore, the next phase is the adapt phase, and last phase is close phase. So here features are first the features are added and the requirements collected in speculation phase. Then this software designed and developed in the explorer phase. Then it will be released in the adapt phase. Then it will be finally deployed to the customer after adapt phase. Then close phase is applied. These are the phases of Agile project management. First, envision phase, second, specular phase, third, explorer phase, fourth, adapt phase, and fifth, close phase. So, in envision phase, this is the first phase of Agile framework. In this phase, the product is conceptualized and all the project stakeholders are identified. The possible objective of the project and identification of the customer needs are also the part of this phase. Speculate, it deals with the creating feature list of the final product and how the team would work to achieve it. So here, the speculation phase normally results into around the two key activities. The one breaking down the project into series of high-level milestone and deciding the expected project timeline. Coming the initial understand the critical task of the project. The next phase, explore phase. This phase is parallel to the project execution phase, and team members explore the various alternatives to fulfill all the requirements of the project while staying within the given constraint. The main focus on creative value and maintaining the quality of the final deliverable. Similar to almost all agile methodologies, team works by focusing the single milestone and iterate until the perfection is achieved. This phase works parallelly with the adapt phase because teams may have to change their plan and execute style if a customer demands it or it feedback is not as expected. The next phase is adapt phase. This phase is perhaps the most distinguishing phase of this framework. The ability to adapt it to different circumstances allows the team to be prepared for anything and gets down thrown toward them by constantly taking the feedback from the customer to ensuring that each aspect of the project is up to the end users requirements. Teams can significantly increase their efficiency and effectiveness. The final phase is close. This is the final phase. Teams ensure that the project gets completed in orderly manner. So these are the references. Thank you.